Hey, hello, hello, hello. This is Mrs. M. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't, make sure you subscribe below by clicking the link. That way, you receive all the juicy cleaning business industry news. So, I am going to get started today with three important areas that you must cover when you're looking at doing any kind of prospecting. So, the first thing you need to talk about is who you are. Who are you? So, whether you're doing email, in person, on the telephone, or mail out, the first thing you need to cover is who you are. Kind of make sure that you have a connection with who you are and why you should grab their attention at that moment. So, the first thing you want to talk about is who you are. The second thing you want to talk about is what it is you are trying to sell. Now, remember, when it comes to janitorial cleaning contracts, the goal is to get the appointment to do the walkthrough, not to sell the service, whether on the spot, in person. The first thing you need to do is get the walkthrough. I would highly, highly suggest not doing any selling over the phone just blind. You will get a lot of people and you'll call them and they'll say, well, can you tell me what what do you provide and how much does it cost? So you want to make sure that you are aware of controlling the conversation and not just blurting out, I charge so much an hour. You have no idea what you're walking into, so make sure you do an inspection, do a walkthrough before you give a price. So first you want to talk about who you are. The second thing it is what you are looking to sell. You are selling the time to come and do a walkthrough. So your goal is you're not actually selling the contract, you're selling the time that it takes to actually set up the appointment. So what your purpose is, the what is what you are trying to accomplish, which is the walkthrough appointment. The next is why. Why should they buy from you? That is when I emphasize that differentiator on what makes you not a commodity, but a valuable service. So, who are you? What are you looking? What's your purpose for the call? And the last thing is why should they buy from you? So, I would suggest your actionable item for today is take out a pen, paper, old fashioned, when it comes to writing down a couple of ideas on what you want to say. Who you are, what is your purpose for calling, what are you selling, what are you looking to accomplish, and why should they buy from you? What So let's go with who, what, and why. When you answer those three on any script you're doing, telephone, in person, email, anything like that, that gets right to it in those couple of seconds that you have to grab their attention. If you want any more information on the who, what, where, why, how to grab their attention, and how to scale and build a six-figure cleaning business from scratch, then make sure you sign up for my masterclass, Six-Figure Cleaning Business Masterclass from Scratch. I go over all of this and more on the seconds you have to grab their attention, what you have to do, how you have to actually grab them, hook them, and what you do to do that, and especially with all the noise we have going on now. So make sure you sign up by registering. Space is limited for the masterclass, and I will look so forward to getting into that and much more. It is about an hour and 15 minutes, so make sure you set enough time aside, and make sure you bring pencil and paper because there is a lot to learn, and the goal is for you to leave out of the masterclass with an actionable item that you can implement right away. As soon as you finish that masterclass, you can implement it within your business immediately. That's the goal. So, like I said, make sure you register below, and I look forward to seeing you there. And space is limited because we do a lot of Q&A, and I like a lot of interaction, a lot of energy. So make sure you register. And until then, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.